Are you an ice cream person, or do you prefer soft serve? Before we get started, here's a quick breakdown of the difference between the two. Both are frozen dairy desserts, but soft serve has more air whipped into it, giving it that light, fluffy texture. It's served a little warmer than regular ice cream and usually has less milk fat. Traditional ice cream is denser, richer, and colder. If you like hands-on reviews like this that help you find the best products for your home, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest content. So let's talk about the Ninja Swirl. It's the newest addition to Ninja's viral CREAMi line, and it's built to deliver soft, scoopable desserts like soft serve, gelato, frozen yogurt, and sorbet, all ready to swirl straight from the machine. You can load in your favorite mix-ins, hit the respin button if you want it even creamier, and toss everything in the dishwasher when you're done, which, let's be honest, is a huge win for busy households. Heads up though, it is loud, and it takes up a lot of countertop space, so you do have to freeze your base mixtures overnight. But we ended up giving it an 8 out of 10 for features and design. Across the board, the texture was smooth, creamy, and pretty close to what you'd expect from a professional soft serve machine. The only catch is that it melts fast, so if you're scooping for a crowd or slow eaters, you'll want to hustle. We gave it a 7 out of 10 for texture and performance. Now in terms of ease of use and cleaning, the first setup has a little bit of a learning curve. There are a lot of parts to figure out, but once you get it down, it's really intuitive. And the best part, everything is dishwasher safe. And seriously, that's practically a love letter to parents everywhere not having to hand wash all those parts. We gave it an 8 out of 10. We threw in many of your favorite toppings and it mixed everything smoothly without clumping or sinking to the bottom. Whether you want a lighter low-fat yogurt blend or a fruit-only sorbet, the Ninja Swirl handled everything we threw at it without a problem. It's flexible enough for different dietary needs or for when the kids change their mind again about what they want. We gave it a 9 out of 10 for versatility. If you want to better understand what's in your dessert and could be prepared for a little extra machine noise, the Ninja Swirl is a super fun, flexible addition to your household. It nails texture, it's easy to clean, and it lets you customize every batch exactly the way that you want. That said, if you're tight on countertop space or are really sensitive to noise, you might want to keep looking. Would you want to invest in a Ninja Swirl? I'm Branson from Best Reviews. Let us know in the comments what your first custom creation would be with the Ninja Swirl.